In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and manage light agents in Zendesk support. Before we dive into the steps, let's first understand what a light agent actually is. In Zendesk, a light agent is a specialized user role designed for team members who need access to view and comment on tickets without fully handling them. According to Zendesk documentation, light agents can be copied, or CC'd, on tickets to keep them in the loop, view tickets, and add private comments within their group, but they cannot be assigned tickets or edit public ticket content. Whether or not a light agent consumes a paid agent seat will depend on your Zendesk plan and role settings. Now, let's get into how you can create a light agent. First, you'll need to log into the Admin Center in Zendesk. Once there, navigate to the People section under the Admin Center, and then to Team Members or a similar pathway, depending on your specific user interface. If the person you're looking to add is not currently in your Zendesk instance, you'll need to add a new user. To do this, go to People and select Add User or Team Member, which might differ based on your interface. Fill in the necessary details such as name, email, and when it comes to selecting a role, choose Light Agent. If you're adjusting the role of an existing full agent to a light agent, remember to first reassign any tickets they are currently handling. This step is critical because you don't want tickets to remain with someone who won't have the permission to manage them. In their user profile, under Roles or Access Settings, you'll need to specifically designate them as a light agent. Another important part of the setup process involves configuring their ticket access and view permissions. Light agents can either have restricted visibility, where they only see certain tickets, typically just those within their groups, or you might allow broader visibility depending on your plan's configuration. Make sure you assign the correct groups or organizations. This ensures they function as you intended. Once you've made your changes, save and confirm these settings. After saving, the user will officially appear as a light agent and will be able to log in to perform the limited actions allowed for this role. Managing light agents goes beyond just their initial setup. It's crucial to monitor their access and permissions on an ongoing basis. If you ever need to change a light agent to a full agent, you can edit their user profile and alter their role. Remember to reassign tickets when downgrading roles. Keep an eye on your agent seats or licensing impact, as light agents might consume paid seats based on certain features or roles. Also, manage their group memberships carefully to ensure they can see the necessary tickets. As light agents don't handle tickets the way full agents do, you might want to restrict certain views or reports for them. This role is more appropriate for collaborators, reviewers, or internal stakeholders rather than primary support personnel. Lastly, be aware that light agents may not receive certain email notifications for tickets, especially if they're only adding private comments. Keeping these limitations in mind will help you ensure a smooth operation within Zendesk.